Hello everyone, I am Harsh Kumar Khatri and in this video I will be telling you my December recommendation for Flutter packages. So let's get to the video. The first one which we have here is GippyDialog. So what it does is that there are various packages which are available in the market for showing alert dialog box, but this one is a bit different. It generally displays an image or GIF next to your warning text. In my opinion, it makes a much difference when taken from a perspective of a viewer. The next one which we have here is SplatterToast. Through this you can make your custom toast appear on the Flutter screens which you are making. So speaking of users notification, here is a great package for toast messages. This is a cool thing that is supports toast messages for which you don't have to provide build context. I have provided all the GIFs or all the images which are related to this one on the screen, so you can have a look at them. Apart from that, all the links to these packages are in the description itself. The next one which we have is the EmojiPicker. So what it does is, even though I am a good fan of good old text emoticons, but if you are developing a chat app, you will probably want to open emoji keyboard after the user clicks on the emoji icon. For all of you who are not old fashioned and want emoji types, here is a package for it. The next one which we have here is ShowcaseView. So you must have seen in many apps that for guiding the user through the application or through everything which is present in the application, there is a black and white highlight difference which is available. So with the help of this package you can achieve that. So in order to get better acquaintance user with the functionality of your application, you can choose the showcase principle. This package that makes it easier for you to apply this principle in the ShowcaseView Flutter package. The next one which we have here is the lint dart package. If you are using JavaScript, you must have worked with lint. So a lint package is great for identifying errors when you are using standard rule, because this collection of rules follows the effective Dart style guide. So remember, this package analyzes your code for stylistic and programmatic errors against the rule it knows. So these were my 5 recommendations for December. If you are developing your Flutter apps, then you try to use them and implement them in your app. Apart from that, we have a Discord server which you can join through the link given in the description, where you can ask your doubts related to Flutter or any other thing. So that is it for this video.